Riendekithia ria guthukira kigina makiria kuri thirikari cia Kaunti riatemanirio bunge-ini ya bururi mweri-ini wa gatandatu mweri muhituku na thutha wa bunge ya bururi ya Senate gukinyaniria wiguano. Utongoria wa bururi William RUTO ni arikitie gwikira kirore watho uyu. Munene wa aruti wira wa muingi Felix Kosgei augite watho uyu ni ukuhotithia thirikari cia Kaunti ciothe 47 guthukirwo ciringi birioni 46 makiria mwaka-ini wa Kigina wa 2023-2024.
Bill reaffirms the administration's commitment to foster inclusive development by strengthening devolution. This commitment is being furthered through a total additional allocation of Kenya shillings 46.4 billion shillings to the county governments for the financial year 2023-2024.
This opportunity to congratulate both houses of parliament for executing their legislative duty in a manner that has given us in the executive, both at the national and at the county level, the opportunity now to expend these 46 billion Kenya shillings.
Kwa ihinda magavana ni makoretwo magiteta kuremwo gukinyaniria motungata mamwe kuri muingi ni wagi wa mbeca cia kuigana mamwe ma maria kigena giki gigufashirira ari sekta ya urimi, motungata ma urigitani, mai na njira cia kung'ethanira na ucenjia wa riera.
Support in construction of county headquarters, provision of library services, enhancement of own source revenue, primary health care, informal settlement improvements, and climate change interventions.
That has been made available for us to be able to grow food in our country because it is the only way we can get rid of the shame of hunger in our nation.
President RUTO ekirire kirore watho uyu ari hamwe na atongoria githingira-ini wa iregi. RUTO agitugiria nyiti itemi othe aria marakuruhanirio hari ukinyaniria wa watho uyu akiuga mweri-ini uyu thirikari ni kurekereria mbeca makiria kuri county.
Close to 29 billion shillings will be made available by this piece of legislation that has now become law. It will support our counties to discharge their mandate, which is very clear in our constitution.
Hamwe noguo kaunti ithano iria wabici ciacio itakinyanire ikiro ni ikwamukira ciringi milioni 45 cia waki mbeca iria cithukiirwo kigina-ini giki.
Some counties that did not have appropriate headquarters because they were small and they couldn't raise resources from their shareable revenue to be able to do the county headquarters. The government has now made it possible for us to complete that project.
President no ahinyiririe magavana gwetha mieke ya uria ikuhota kugania mbeca makiria.
Also very happy that counties are beginning to also look at other avenues of raising resources. And I want to congratulate governors who are continuously increasing their own source of revenue funds.
Amwe ya atongoria angi aria mauma igongona-ini riri ni hamwe na speaker a bunge CIERI, Minister munene Musalia Mudavadi, muikariri giti wa kanji ya magavana Anne Waiguru gatagati kangi.